Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to hide all snaps from a creator on Snapchat. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Locate the spotlight icon positioned at the bottom right corner of the screen and give it a tap to access the spotlight feature. Next, tap
तुम मुझे बहुत पसंद हो. I love
on
you.
the three dots also located at the bottom right to unveil additional options. Select the I don't like option from the menu that appears on your screen. Now, tap on I don't like this creator to hide all snaps from the specific creator you choose. To complete the process, tap on Done to confirm your action and successfully hide all snaps from the selected creator. By following these straightforward steps, you can take charge of your Snapchat feed and manage the content you see according to your preferences. Enjoy a more personalized Snapchat experience by customizing your content visibility with ease.